Dear children, today we will learn about how to write small a to z. So let's start learning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's start reading it again for more learning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Thank you. Dear children, thanks for watching the video till end. Please like the video, share this video among your friends, and also subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of such uploaded videos. Thank you, dear children.